Hello, my name is Jim Bropmton. I'm the Canadian brand ambassador for Kase Filters. I'm in sunny Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada today, and it's plus 37 degrees. What a gorgeous day to be outside and to be using these filters on the lens of your cameras. Today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the newest release that Kase has, and it's the Skyeye filter system. And they have continued to break ground with their research and development team and move forward with new ideas and new products. And they've done a tremendous job. So in this kit, they've actually designed it so that you can use your old filters in your bag. So they're thinking about the filters that you've bought in the past, and the new magnetic system allows you to use your screw type filters and the magnetics in combination. So this is the packaging that comes with the kit, and inside the packaging is this beautiful leather case, and it has a clip on the back so you can hang it on your belt or on your camera strap on your tripod, which is where I like to put it. I like my filters convenient, so I don't have to dig around for them. Like I say, the pouch is leather and it's well made, and with the pouch, or in the pouch, you get the magnetic adapter ring. This is an 82mm kit, this one, and this is an 82mm lens, and so you just simply screw on the magnetic adapter ring to the front of the lens, and now it's ready to accept magnetic filters and or the old screw type. So these filters and the ring are designed with a thread in the front so that you can thread your old 82mm filters right onto this and use your existing filters as well as the Kase products. So included in the kit is a cap. It's a magnetic cap. It has a nice felt back on it, and this is how you could store your lens in your bag with the protection of this nice cap, and just leave the magnetic ring on. Now, in addition to that, this kit comes with three different filters. It comes with a circular polarizer and a graduated neutral density, which is a 3-stop, and a 10-stop ND. So it also comes with a beautiful cleaning cloth, and these are exceptional. So in this scenario, I like to always use my polarizer first, and it just simply attaches to the front of the lens magnetically, and the magnets are strong enough that they'll just take the filter right out of your hand. I like then to dial this to my liking, depending on what I'm shooting. If I want to see through water, or if I want the sky to be darker, or if I want colors enhanced, then this is the filter for that. To continue at that point, and if you want to add some time, you can add on the neutral density, and that'll just simply add time to your exposure. And then if you wanted to control light, you can just add the graduated neutral density, and you can position it as you need it on the front of the lens. So like I said before, the system is very unique in the sense that it allows you to use a magnetic filter as well as your old screw type filters. So if you would like to find out more information about this, please feel free to reach out to me at casefilterscanada.com, and there's a contact link on that page, or you can just simply email me at jimbropmton@gmail.com as well. Thanks for your interest in Kase Filters and taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Have a great day.